What's up guys, this is Jeff from GoPro Mechanic. Today we have a new project, the BMW 635 1978 CSI. I bought this car lately and I'm doing an innovation project for it, and I'm going to show you the steps. And as you can see, I'm going to work on the electrical part. You can see all the unorganized routing of the electrical cables. I removed the battery in here. These are the battery cables. Inside the lights from the back need so much work. This is the water pump. I have removed the thermostat and housing and all the pipes, and as you can see there are rust inside the radiator and all the pipes as well. This is the inside housing of the motor, and that is the back pipe that goes to the heat exchanger inside the dashboard. And this is the car. So I removed the fuel line from the front and the back as well. Oops, this is the fuel. And of course the filter and the MAF and all the connections that you can see now. And I'm going to remove this channel that brings fuel to each injector. Bolts, there are 4 of them. This one here as well, and one in here. I untightened this screw clamp and let's push it. Okay, it's out now, the whole channel, and I'm still gonna have to just push out this hose and remove the whole channel. For cleaning the injectors, I brought this syringe. You remove this joint and I will fit it into here, and I'll use the tube of the car cleaner, and by this way we're gonna clean the injectors. Okay guys, it's very important first of all to keep your safety glasses with you, and I've made this arrangement now. So this opens the gate, and we're going to connect now to the carburetor cleaner. So this is the left injector, seems fine. This is the channel, and these are the injectors after cleaning them, and this is the motor head cover. fuel line hose. I installed it, fit it into the channel, and I have to tighten this clip. It's not easy to get it into the manhole or the manifold, so I use like a bit of brake fluid just to lubricate the input, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is working fine before installing all the stuff.
We're flushing the motor now. You see all the rust and mold going out from the motor. Okay, now we're putting water from the back side of the motor, and you can see from the water pump it's going down.
I have installed a new thermostat housing, reinstalled these sensors the same way they were installed on my old thermostat. It's so much in a good condition, and if you can see inside, there is the actual thermostat. Now we're gonna install this hose that connects the water pump to the thermostat. It's a bit hard to install it because it's rigid somehow and small hose. I have installed this hose to the radiator and the hose from the thermostat to the water pump. I still have to tighten this screw clip. First of all, I have connected it to the thermostat and tightened the clamp, and then you need to squeeze the pipe and push downward to get it inside the manifold of the water pump. Connect this hose to the coolant tank. This is connected, all the hoses. I still have the air filter. I have finished installing all the hoses and cleaning all the system. Now I'm gonna add this radiator flush liquid together with distilled water and turn on the car. This is Kivor, this is Said.